Do you get confused between has, have, and had? You're not alone. These small words carry big meaning, and today I'll help you master them forever. And yes, I've created a free downloadable chart that shows the full usage of has, have, and had clearly. Hi friends, welcome back to English Word Hub. Today, we're going to learn the correct and easy way to use has, have, and had. These are helping verbs or auxiliary verbs, and they are used very commonly in speaking and writing. So it's very important to get them right. Let's understand when to use them, with lots of examples and real-life practice. Get your notebook ready, and don't forget to grab the free chart I've created just for you. What do has, have, and had mean? Let's begin with a simple idea. All three words, has, have, and had, talk about possession, experience, or an action that is completed. Has and have talk about the present. Had talks about the past. Let's go one by one. Use of have, present tense. We use have with I, you, we, they, and plural nouns. Examples: I have a new phone. You have a lovely smile. We have an exam tomorrow. My friends have many books. Use it to show possession. I have a car. Actions. I have finished my homework. Experiences. I have visited Chennai. Use of has, present tense. We use has with he, she, it, and singular nouns. Examples: she has a cat. He has an idea. It has 4 legs. My brother has a YouTube channel. 2. Use of had, past tense. Had is the past form of both has and have. Use it with all subjects, no matter singular or plural. Examples: I had a bicycle when I was a child. She had a fever last week. They had a party yesterday. We had no idea. Had is used to. Had is used to talk about possession in the past. He had a dog. Completed actions in the past. She had finished dinner before I came. Practice session. Let's practice together. I'll say a sentence with a blank. You guess the correct word: has, have, or had. Try these. I dash 2 brothers. Have, has, or had. She dash a beautiful voice. Have, has, or had. They dash dinner already. Have, has, or had. He dash a meeting yesterday. Have, has, or had. We dash a holiday last week. Have, has, or had. You dash great ideas. Have, has, or had. Pause the video, think, and then play. For answers, please check the description. Great job if you got them right. Remember, mastering small words like has, have, and had will make your English sound much more natural and fluent. Don't feel bad if you make mistakes. That's part of learning. Keep practicing. Comment below. I have learned something new today if this video helped you. A link is in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons.